Programming a key fob for your 1998 to 2004 Chevy S-10 is a simple DIY process that syncs the remote to your truck's computer. First, make sure all doors are unlocked and no keys are in the ignition. Then, insert the key and turn the ignition to the on position, but don't start the engine. Within 5 seconds, press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on your key fob simultaneously for about 15 seconds. If you have additional fobs, repeat this step for each one, up to a maximum of 4. Finally, turn the ignition off and test each fob to ensure they lock and unlock the doors. This programs the remote to your vehicle without special tools, potentially saving you $100 to $200 compared to dealership service. If your key fob programming isn't working, first ensure you're using a fresh CR2032 battery in your fob, as a weak battery can cause issues. Secondly, verify that the replacement fob is compatible with your S10 using the correct 314 MHz frequency and matching OEM specifications to avoid pairing issues. Interference from other electronics can disrupt programming, so try moving away from potential sources of interference. If problems persist, try resetting the truck's computer by disconnecting the battery for about 30 minutes and then repeating the programming steps. In rare cases, a faulty receiver or BCM might be the cause, requiring professional assistance to diagnose and repair. By following these steps and tips, you can successfully program your Chevy S-10 key fob and regain remote access to your vehicle.